Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of the Tech Room podcast. I have with me very beautiful, very inspirational, very I lack words. Astute. Yes. Ladies with me, they'll introduce themselves. I'll start with you.
Right. Thank you very much for having me and Joyce here. My name is Bella Namango. My full name is Rose Bella Namango. I work at the British Council with the global team. I'm a data privacy manager. That is a position I've held for the last 12 years. And previously, I was a lecturer at Kenyatta University, teaching at the Information Technology Department under the Department of Education. Many years ago, I'm trying to remember. And I'm a mother of two, a son and a daughter. Gen Zs, so my hands are full. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome.
And my name is Joyce Mopani Mushiri. I have been in business for about 12 years. I've been running a digital marketing agency, and we did everything across the board from web development, social media marketing, management, game development, app development. So very knowledgeable in the tech space. And currently I am the co-founder and president of Women in Technology and Innovation Africa. I am also a mother of 5 children. One Gen Z and the rest are younger.
Okay. I feel like Gen Z, we're just attacked out of nowhere because we are calm and collected. We only fight for our rights.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so where we are right now, it's the eDigital Connect Summit. And I'd love for you to hear your input about today. You are a speaker?
Yes, I was one of the keynote speakers. We were speaking actually about e-governance and data privacy. How can we improve this space? What steps have we made as a country? And just proudly to say that as a country in Africa, we're doing a lot of stuff in terms of improving privacy. And e-governance. Kenya is very much ahead. You know about e-citizen. You know about the e-governance strategy, which started in 2004, has improved up to today. We have a 2023-2024 version, which is being worked on. And for today, I'm just a proud woman to be part of the Women in Technology and Innovation Africa as one of the co-founders. And what makes me really proud is that we as women, we have decided to bring women on board.
Yes.
Because if I have my history right, all the institutions I've worked in, they had IT people to be men. All of them, from the time I started working up to today, even in the British Council, our IT officer is a guy. So it's about time. And what a time than this to come together with eDigital Summit and have an agreement that we proudly signed today, and we're looking forward to the next level.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so speaking of women in technology in Africa, the inspiration, is it a company or an NGO?
We're an NGO. So we're inspired by, of course, ourselves being in different fields in tech. We have Bella here, who is a doctor, and myself, who has been in the same field as an entrepreneur. We have other members who are in the same space. We do have a gentleman as well within our as part of our officials. But the inspiration came because we really want to see change, growth, and impact in the tech space as far as women are concerned. So what we are looking to do is to provide more opportunities for women to engage in technology and innovation in terms of education, in terms of getting them to have exposure in networking forums. This eDigital Summit is fantastic for us. We have been able to sponsor 50 girls from 2 different campuses
Wow.
to be here to just sit in the panels and engage with the speakers, to go around and see what developments are there in technology, to be able to support them in the ideas that they have. For those who are ready to start businesses, we want to come in and equip them in terms of capacity building, in terms of funding, and so many other things. Dr. Bella talked about policies and the things that are needed, even at the government level. So we are very keen to work on advocacy and be able to assist women to really take up that space.
Yeah.
And we are smart. We are smart. Women are intelligent.
Yeah.
And women also form the core of our societies because we are nurturing.
Yes.
Yeah. So if we can help these women to nurture their skills in technology, we think that will be going to a very good level.
Yeah.
Yeah, much higher level.
Okay.
Yeah.
Joyce has talked about the empowering the girl child, going to schools and telling the girls that they can take up this space. So can you talk about the importance of just networking for a woman in technology and them being able to have a supportive network?
Yeah, the networking is a key area for women because most of the time in technology, we've already said, it's a space that is occupied by men. So women coming out to network gives them a lot of leverage, especially to go ahead, know what is happening on the market today. As Joyce mentioned, the 50 girls are from Kiriri Women University.
And
It's already, and Jomo
and
Kenyatta
as well,
University. Jomo Kenyatta University. These are, Jomo Kenyatta is our core pillar for our technology in this country.
Yeah.
We also want to get all those statistics, these girls who are taking technology in these institutions, to come and network is like telling them, this is now what you should focus on when you are studying.
Okay.
Because it's not good to be in class and not know what's going on outside. So you need also to have your area of focus. They will also know where they can go for attachment.
Yes.
This is a very, very good opportunity for these young ladies. And also to know that they are not alone. There are other women out here who are already ahead and would like them to catch up.
Yeah. Okay. I feel like you've answered my last question to Joyce. Because
She may have some
more insights.
Yeah.
So my last question is how do you feel about the importance of having these dedicated women's spaces, like now your organization, the Women in Technology Innovation? Because some might say, we are all equal and we are fighting for equality, but having these spaces just dedicated for women.
I think in Africa, I'll just give a statistic. In Africa, the tech space in work is occupied by only 31% of women, meaning there is such a gap that needs to be filled. If we are talking about empowerment and also creating a space that women feel they are equal, we need to create these kinds of forums for women to incubate them and to assist them to be able to get the confidence, to get the support they need, to get the funding they need, to be able to get to that level where we can say in Africa, we have in the tech space, we have 60% women. We want to get to those kinds of statistics. Because as I said before, women are at the core of society. So women know what is needed in our communities. So if we can equip them to be able to create the solutions that are needed through technology, I think we'll be at a very good place. So we do need that kind of forum and those kinds of spaces for women.
Maybe I can add a 10 cents on that. That some of us didn't get that opportunity for people to handhold us and tell us this is the path, this is what you need to do, and we may have look like we have succeeded, but we may have done better, and maybe we could have succeeded earlier had we had mentors who could hold hand us and tell us a little bit more about what is happening on the field.
Yeah.
The field. By the way, on the stats, it's very, very true what Jace is telling you. I think even if you go and check Safaricom, you will be amazed that there are fewer women in the hands-on tech.
It's true.
There are fewer. In Microsoft, the current Microsoft office that is in Nairobi, it's just about 20% only.
Okay.
So we need these young girls, like people like yourself, to crack that space. And so like the ego.
I can give you a story of one of the projects we did in my organization, in my digital agency. We were bidding for a job that was in game development, and in the entire list of people who were bidding, we were the only organization that had a female representative. So imagine the only company that had a female representative. So we ended up being the only female-led organization that worked on the project. So areas like that are women might seem, they might look at them and it looks like it's not for women. We need to have them change their opinion, change their attitude, and come on board, because the jobs are there, the opportunities are there, but they're not being taken up by women. So that's what we want to do here with Women in Technology and Innovation Africa.
Yes.
Yes.
So unfortunately, this was a short and sweet session.
Thank you very much.
Anyway.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, thank you
It
so
was
much.
very nice meeting you.
Yeah.